Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alex, if you're new. I recently wore a lip look in a couple of my most recent videos, I think the last two actually, and you guys were obsessed with it. And I've just received so many questions about like what I was wearing on my lips. I happened to be doing a TikTok live and it was kind of freeform, like a random situation that happened. I was trying new products, but man, did it like result in something so beautiful. So I'm gonna show you how I got it today. So there are two hero lip products for this look. One of them is the new Rare Beauty, what is this called? Lip stain, I guess? Tinted lip oil, just kidding. It does act as a lip stain. It leaves behind some like really nice pigment. So I was messing around with these. So I'm actually gonna start off with Hope, which is this really beautiful kind of like pink shade. Goes nicely with her Hope blush. So I'm just gonna place this in the center of my lip. These do have a little bit of a tingle. If you don't like plumping products, just keep that in mind. It's much less than most of those kinds of products, but it does have a little something. So I'm gonna fill in the majority of the center of my lips. It's gonna look silly for a second. Super hydrating, by the way. No scent, just saying, just saying. And then I'm going to use Affection, this like really beautiful deep color, and I'm going to line the outer part of my lip. I can't really talk to you while I do this. And since I do like to overline my lips a little bit, I'm gonna take it just like outside a little. I'm feeling the tingle. Applicator is really good for that though. You can turn it and get more precise. So focusing it on like the outer perimeter, and then I'm gonna kind of like blend into that pink. The cat is licking herself right here, so if you can hear that, it doesn't sound so appealing. So that's a gorgeous color anyway, you know? I think I was kind of like playing around with these. I was talking a little bit. I didn't love the tingle. I don't like hate the tingle. Then I basically just like let it sit while I was chatting with people, as you do with like a lip stain, essentially. And I wasn't loving the gloss, so I decided to go in and pat that away. So I do feel like the stain quality of it works pretty quickly, especially because my lips were like relatively dry before this. So now I'm just going to use a little paper towel and I'm gonna pat. Now we have this beautiful color. Isn't that pretty? So I'm basically just getting rid of the moisture. Now what I'm gonna do, I think I just used Stone, MAC Stone, and basically like any cool toned pencil or any, if you have like a lip liner that you like to contour with, something a little bit darker would probably be best. But yeah, I'm gonna use MAC Stone. Basically all of the like contour shades from Makeup Forever would be really good for this too. I kind of use them interchangeably. So I'm using this to create structure to the lip. So I'm just basically lining around it, just kind of defining that line so it's not like bleeding or just doesn't look like it has any shape. Okay, so I patted off the oil mostly because it's a lot easier to go in with a lip liner on drier skin. So you don't have to do that, but you can. And also because I'm gonna be using my next hero product, which is this stunning gloss from Lisa Eldridge. Dude, this is Dancing Rose, one of her new releases for her lip glosses. Look at, I just don't even know if you're gonna like be able to tell until I actually put it on my lips, but it is so beautiful. Just really, really stunning pearl in there. You see that? It like brings that color to life. So beautiful. And you can kind of use the edge of the doe foot to like blend that liner into the stain a little bit better. And since I don't want to like ruin this, I'm just gonna wipe the doe foot off. People get mad at me when I don't show this. Just wipe it off, like whatever is left over, on a paper towel or something so that you're not ruining your gloss. And that is the finished lip, you guys. You love it? It's stunning. So gorgeous. I actually can't remember if I left it glossy. I think I kind of like patted it in. I think I patted it out because I don't love like a gloss. All right, guys. That was it. That's all it was. I was just messing around with some lip stains. Actually, I don't even know if I left it this glossy. Testament to that gloss though, damn. Really like makes a difference. A little bit goes a long way. The lip oils are beautiful. I don't love like making something super duper glossy. I didn't really mind the tingle also, which it's so much less than a lot of those like plumping glosses or whatever. I have never really been like a huge fan of lip oils in general, but I do like these a lot and the colors are beautiful. So I did this kind of like a combination. So pretty, especially with that gloss and the lip liner. I just think that like the gloss just brings out the life to that lip stain, you know? Anyway, that's how I got it. Hope you enjoyed. I'll try to find some alternatives to well, I guess I'll try to find drugstore alternatives to everything, but in particular, the Lisa Eldridge gloss. Ziva, you're being very loud. Because it is pretty pricey. And it's Lisa Eldridge, so it's a little bit more difficult to get because it's like only online and it's UK. Yeah, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and all the things, and let me know what you want to see next. If there's any other lips out there that you've been like, what is she wearing? Let me know. Okay, bye peeps, I'm gonna go.